today, bro?
We're getting new test pipes installed.
New test pipes. Yep.
Hopefully I don't blow the welds this time.
What happened to the other ones?
I blew a hole with the O2 sensors. I was shooting too much flames.
Too much flames under that.
So now it's getting worked on. I have Cody's brother doing it for me. If you look under, you can kind of see there's my old sensor wire. Keep you updated, G.
Yeah.
See,
I
Chris?
forgot I even gave you one. Yeah, I'm not broke no more.
Bro, it's literally correct. It's correct.
And it's like so thin. The one you got is like way thinner.
This shit is
Mom told me about the speeding ticket. I was like, that'll probably help.
Yeah, it was 280.
Yeah.
He didn't even.
That's both full?
So I was in the merging lane.
Oh, you can see where I scraped
my
my
truck, and they were not getting out of the way, so I had to
See
gas
how
in front
fucking
of them. And he
about
got
rusted
gas
shit is?
radar.
Well, no, this is the old
Yes,
gasket.
they have rear radars and car radars. I didn't know that.
Didn't I tell
Get it on the trash.
Dumbass motherfucker. Bro, what is he doing?
exactly it's working?
Where's Chop? He's sleeping?
Him and Robert sleeping.
For the kid, 'cause they know how we live. And they gon' skids. Yo, straight in the kids.
Wait, these lights are.
No, you ain't no dog.
Bro, like the nosebleeds are like $30.
The what?
But we didn't get nosebleeds. We got good ass seats.
Nosebleeds? What the fuck is
Me and Arrow are going.
What is nosebleeds?
Like all the way at the top.
Oh.
Like far away. Up we were like,
Your nose will bleed when you try to look.
they have like the first like 5 rows like blocked off, cause like just right behind the bench. So they have like that blocked off. So like where you can sit closest to, we're like 5 or 6 rows up, right in the middle. Yeah, that's probably. You think that's what yours sounds like? Like
For sure.
it echoes
It does.
off all the.
Go, go. You're supposed to roll them.
Get a little closer. Oh, there he goes. Slow down, slow down. Why'd you go? Turn right, turn right, turn right. Stay here when my
Oh my god, yo, that just scared the shit out of me. He put his toe hook down. I thought he was about to toe Chris. He lowered his toe hook right here. Is he
What are
actually?
you sitting in front of the camera?
This is a one-way without.
Wait, should I move my car though? Well, I can
My mama's fucking like. You're clapping. He's like, look at his smile. Look at his smile.
No,
I know exactly what. Show me the paper.
No,
you know.
Let me. I need the light. I need the light. I need the
He
light.
said it was for fucking doing. No,
Alright,
he's
let
like
me see the
exhibition. Look, watch.
Show me the.
It said exhibition at a time.
All right.
Where's the price?
There's a price right over here.
Right in the bottom, dumbass.
Oh no, mine said it on the
It's right
top.
here.
$113, you fucking pussy. That's less than half of my ticket.
No, literally, it was for my exhaust. He said no, literally, no, cause like he would have given me $1,000 ticket and like 4 points on my license.
Just for that, Chris. Look, don't.
But he said like he didn't have the heart to do it, and then like he was telling me a story how like literally like last week there was a kid that looked like me, and like he died in like a car crash like this.
Is that racist? Because you're Chinese? You look like you?
Nah,
Call him out. Call him out.
Nah,
Viral.
but like he
Don't
said,
leave.
You hear that? He said he said he was gonna give me a fucking $1,000 ticket or whatever.
Bro,
For being racist.
I took Mitch out of my car, so I drove away with him in it. I took him
What
to
does
some
it
like
say?
warehouse down there. Scared.
It says alerted exhaust system.
He's stuck.
I am stuck.
I'm not getting him out.
Can I be part of the Honda? I'm like, I hear you do so.
That was loud as fuck.
I'm like, yo, listen to my pops. He's back there fucking script. He ran out here. I'm like mid-hit. I'm like, yo, downshift, downshift. You still want to say it?
scraping. Ariel, stop twerking, dog.
My knee was stuck.
Okay.
Hell, you couldn't play music if someone rode my trunk. And now I can't get out.
Uh-oh. Of course he's stuck.
I'm like, I'm stuck.
Oh, it's so loud out here.
Yeah, fuck it. I'll start screaming. All right, right here.
I need to put air somewhere.
Yeah, I know. All right, we got a 2008 G37S manual. Here we got my 2012 Nissan 370Z base. What do you say for this one? 20.
His is 13, 14.
2013 Honda Civic EX. And then we got a 2012. What is this?
Scion.
What's a Toyota?
Well,
Toyota
then
box.
he changed the badges.
Shoebox.
It's a Scion XB. Yeah, we're supposed to take pictures today.
Yeah, I know. They're clean, bro. The fitment, but like the back, he still has the stuff. Cause look, he has to fucking like roll the fenders more and shit.
Yeah, he has the old ones in it.
I gotta get.
I'm supposed to do my wheels, but I missed Alec. Yeah,
I'm gonna do my.
we were supposed to do it Thursday, but I have to go buy a car, the GTI.
Oh wait, wait, is it yours?
It's under my name. I bought it. It's from my brother though. I don't drive front wheel drive cars. Nah, fuck that.
We're not like them.
We're not pussies like them.
We don't do a single non-illegal thing in a day. Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
You speeder.
My car is illegal.
You got bit right there.
I just got bit off of my fingers.
My car is illegal. Dude.
All right, we're going to it. Come on, Chris, me and you.
What, are we gonna count the tire?
No, we'll go in it.
We can't go in it.
It doesn't lock.
We're not going in. No, those do.
How much
Look at that car over there. What is that? What is that? What is that? Zoom in on it, Mitchell.
BMW.
Freaking zoom in on it.
guy.
It's kind of nice. Cody, should we push it? Hey,
Put your pants down.
My nuts.
Cody, should we push this so it looks like this? Mitch, come on, bro.
JJ, get up.
Wait, Mitch, are my feet in the picture?
Yeah.
Mitch.
Stairs to this place. Oh, I heard Nick.
He got scared again.
I was like,
What brand is it?
Smells like lime.
Filthy unicorn.
Censored. The only thing left dirty is your mind.
Our sponsor, Filthy Unicorn.
Dude, no, smell it actually. It smells like fucking like lime.
Yeah, it smells really good.
Trying to drink it.
Today's sponsor is Filthy Unicorn. Thank you for.
appreciate it.
Oh, look, it's chemical guys too.
Okay, hey, come on, man. Fuck that shit.
Oh, wait, dude, what? That's crazy. Oh, guys. Look, hey, we have the same thing.
Bro, see? Wow, that is a beautiful 9.
Dude, what?
He could have used just 3 pieces to make 9.
I'm gonna park normal though so the anal question mark sticks out. Like I'll park with the front end. You know what I'm saying?
That's gonna draw more.